Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have done a toffee inspired makeup beat for you guys. What do you dolls think? If you want to get this look and you want to see how it is done, then carry on watching. Okay dolls, we're going to get right into this beat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to put some of this Makeup Academy oil on my face. And then I'm going to use my Illuminator. I'm mostly kind of putting it in the area that I want to glow. I'm going to go in with this colour corrector. I think this colour corrector is too dark for me, but I'm just going to use it because that's the one I have at the moment. I'm going to go in with my Born This Way foundation in colour caramel, and I'm going to go in with my True Match foundation from L'Oreal. I'm going to mix the both of them to get my ideal colour. I'm going to get my sponge, my beauty blender. I'm just going to blend it all in. So I'm going to grab my NC42 concealer and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes. So now I'm going to conceal and contour my face. So I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Tawny. It's quite light, so I do like it. I'm going to get my NYX Concealer in Cocoa. I'm gonna blend this baby out. So guys, I didn't want to mention the big C, and I'm not talking about see you next Tuesday. I'm talking about the coronavirus that's come to wipe us all out. Everyone's in a state of panic right now. I understand it, but it's here, innit? So we just need to deal with it. I just think, you know, just try and follow the precautions as much as they say. You know, limit access to people. And I'm sure we'll all be fine and we'll all get through it. The economy is going to be fucked for a long while, but it is what it is and it's going to be what it's going to be. But yeah, just while we're in here on quarantine, I'm going to just do looks after looks after looks. That's what I'm going to do with my time. So I'm just going to bake this face now, and I'm going to be using the lace setting powder. So I'm getting in my Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up the area that I just contoured. Okay, so we're gonna get going with my PLouise base and I'm gonna prime these eyelids. Gonna do my eyebrows real quick. So eyebrows are done. Gonna move right onto the eyes. I'm feeling a toffee look today, so I'm gonna go for a toffee vibe. So that's browns, light browns, you know, brown glitters, things like that. So that's what we're gonna do today, dolls. I'm just gonna go with Makeup Academy blush and I'm gonna just pop some of that on my cheek. So I'm gonna start with my black gel liner. I'm gonna start blending it up. I'm going into the Too Faced palette, Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and I'm gonna grab Gingerbread Glam. So the purpose of adding that black is that it just really smokes out any look that you're gonna do. So that's why I like adding that. So in that same palette, I'm gonna go into For the Graham. And this is just like a really nice soft brown. I love this brown. I didn't add any more product to this brush. Just going back over and blending. And I think that gives me a nice smoky look. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Color Tawny to actually cut my crease because it's quite light, so I think it will be a good crease cutter, good concealer to use. So I'm going to go back into the Extra Spicy palette and I'm going to use For the Graham, and I'm going to just start blending it over that crease that I've just cut. I really like using For the Graham because I think it's a really nice transition colour. It's a nice soft brown. So I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution Pro palette, Intensely Pigmented Foil palette. so I think I'm happy with that. What I'm gonna do now is I am going to put on my Duo Lash Glue and let that sit while I do my bottom lash line. Going into Gingerbread Glam, and I'm just blending that brown and that black together. And then I'm going back into For the Gram, which is the lighter brown.
I do that.
Sorry about the baby talk. I cannot stop him right now. He's on one. He wants to tell me something, obviously. But I'm back. My lashes are on. What I'm going to do now is I am going to set my face. This is the Revolution Sport Fix Spray. It's actually quite good. It's actually been holding my makeup in place. Because I'm going to do 2 different sets of highlight. I'm going to go into this. This is a highlight and blusher palette. And I used it actually on my eyelid. And I'm going to use it as a highlighter as well. I think it goes really nicely with the theme. I'm also going to highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Champagne. Today I've done a toffee coloured inspired look for you guys. I've got my little hairstyle going on. You know when you have your natural hair and you have it out for too long, you just run out of hairstyles to do. So I'm just like going back to when I was 16 or something. It's gonna have to work. I did a little clip. But the star of the show today is my eyeshadow. I added glitter in there, a bit of smoky browns and blacks. Yeah. Comment below and let me know what you dolls think of this look, and I will catch you in my next video.